Now that's more like it. I'm on my way to go hang out with my buddy Andrew, informally known as the Honda Wizard by no one else but myself. He has an AP2 S2000. He just got some new wheels. His car's sitting pretty. He hasn't seen my new wheels or my new wrap yet. So I'm so stoked to say what up to him. Let's get right to it. Gotta stop at the gas station first, and then we'll be meeting up. Would you look at that? Look who it is. I'm going the wrong way right here and I don't even care. Yeah, buddy-o. Looking good, dude. Oh, don't look too close at the wrap though.
Yes, I had a Honda Accord.
Those are great.
These look way too cool together. Like, just the top down, these both look insanely rad. Andrew, do set up, Andrew.
Yeah.
What we got running?
Okay, so wasn't gonna buy wheels and tires because I've just been buying mods, one thing after the other since I bought the car. And then Phil's Tire Service, which they just sell our compound tires and track wheels and stuff. They had a clearance sale on these Motegis. How good of a deal could it be? $110 a wheel.
Holy
I could
cow.
not bring myself to say no to it. Shipped after tax, it was under $500 for 4 wheels. They're 17 by 8.5, 42, so almost exactly the same spec as the Koseis on Connor's car. I don't know if they look quite as good as the Koseis, but for the money, I'm not complaining.
Nah, they look so sick, dude.
And then the tires are Armstrong Blu Trac races, which are on Tire Street. Like, I was reading that these are kind of like a Hankook RS4 type tire, like not super grippy, but lasts forever, good on the street. And then 255, 40. The J's ball joints in the front, so it's like 3.2 degrees in the rear, 3.1 in the front, something like that I have right now.
Oh, heck yeah.
And then pulled fenders, but they fit, they don't rub.
It's like almost as wide as my shoe is, dude. Probably wider, literally.
Yeah. People are doing 17 by 10, so this isn't crazy at all anymore. I'm like,
shoot.
This is normal. But yeah, I love them so far.
Dude, heck yeah. Wait till we go put them to the test.
We're gonna go, yeah, let's see what they can do, yeah.
Nice. This car is loud, man. I'll tell you what, Andrew absolutely shifts insanely fast. I gotta do a ride along with him one day because he absolutely rips. All right, listen, there's an ongoing issue that I have with getting wind noise while driving with a convertible top down. Of course, it's a convertible. It's gonna have a lot of wind, and that's the truth. So I'm trying to figure out those issues. Haven't quite locked them in yet. So sorry about the issue once again. Today I'm gonna go and try to put some music lightly over the footage just to kind of recover a little bit of the feel because it's just so crackly and windy right now. Gonna try to recover it with some nice little vibes right here. So let me know if you like it. If not, no worries. Just let me know in the comments. Wow, these roads are crazy. I've never been out here before. Whoa. Oh, these bumps are making it feel like some sort of just hill climb, which I guess is what we're doing. We are climbing a hill. That is not wrong. Hey. Oh, this is so sweet. Today's video will have less chatting, obviously, and more just driving. I guess that's the way it's to be. That was sick, man. Oh, I'm gonna get closer because this is beautiful. It keeps getting better and better and better. What? That was insane, dude. Oh, that was crazy.
Is that me? Oh, it's just the exhaust.
No, it's heating up.
Holy how
cow.
far out it is?
Yeah, what's
It expanded.
expanding?
Dude, it's like a full inch further in normally.
No, there's some of those like you're going up and over the bumps that were just like they're insane.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it was like you could set the rear end lift a bit, and it was just like you could set that drift, like the slight
And
drift.
your
You're
car
like, dang, man.
With the like the lower front than mine, and this yellow looks so
Insane.
nasty. And you can see the tires, like when you have the meaty setup, the tires are like here, so you can see
yeah.
it looks like a track car.
As you could tell, today was a very drivers focused video. I just wanted to go ahead and give you a look into what makes me happy, which is going out, driving with friends, and enjoying cars for what they're made for. So thanks for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Connor. I'll be posting all the time, often about the S2000. So hope you stick around for more, and keep it mellow, folks. Peace.